Hello students, today we'll revise the subtopic Circulation in Animals from the chapter Transport in Animals. To begin with, the circulatory system is a system of blood vessels with a pump and valves to ensure one-way flow of blood. Fish have a two-chambered heart and a single circulation. This means that for every one circuit of the body, the blood passes through the heart once. In the given diagram, you can notice the flow of oxygenated blood and the flow of deoxygenated blood. Before we go on to the next slide, let us understand the meaning of oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood simply means the blood rich in oxygen, whereas deoxygenated blood means blood poor in oxygen. Mammals have a four-chambered heart and a double circulation. This means that for every one circuit of the body, the blood passes through the heart twice. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs. The left side of the heart receives the oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it to the body. The advantages of double circulation are that blood traveling through the small capillaries in the lungs loses a lot of pressure that was given to it by the pumping of the heart, meaning it cannot travel as fast. By returning the blood to the heart after going through the lungs, its pressure can be raised again before sending it to the body, meaning cells can be supplied with the oxygen and glucose they need for respiration faster and frequently. Next, in short, let's follow the steps as to how the blood flows around the body. Step 1. Deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium. Deoxygenated blood enters the right ventricle. Deoxygenated blood is pumped by the right ventricle to the lungs to become oxygenated. Oxygenated blood enters the left atrium. Oxygenated blood enters the left ventricle. Oxygenated blood is pumped by the left ventricle to the rest of the body. Blood cells use the oxygen and cause the blood to become deoxygenated. Deoxygenated blood returns to the heart and the cycle repeats. All the steps once again.